About 2.5 million of America's bowlers are small pin enthusiasts. Duckpin bowling is the most popular of the small ball, small pin varieties of the game. Most of the fundamentals are the same in all varieties of bowling. In the small ball games, the small ball requires a different grip and release. The ball is held the same natural way you pick it up off the rack. You grip it with the fingers and thumb. It does not rest in the palm of the hand. It is held equally balanced in both hands. Slow motion now. Watch the release of the ball. It rolls off the fingertips with no twist of the wrist.